At number 1, we have the Adams Mega Foam Car Wash Shampoo, the king of foam. Its 10x ultra concentrated formula creates an incredible amount of thick, rich foam. This long-lasting foam clings to your vehicle's surface, safely encapsulating contaminants to prevent scratches and swirl marks. Experience superior lubrication that gently glides dirt off your paint for a safe and effective wash. Its pH-neutral formula is safe for all finishes, including ceramic coatings, and won't strip existing wax or sealants. Achieve professional-level results at home. Adams Megafoam, the sudsiest car soap for the detailing perfectionist.
At number 2, we have the MaxLone Waterless Car Spray. It offers an incredibly convenient solution to clean, protect, and shine your vehicle without water. Perfect for apartment owners, travelers, or quick maintenance. This advanced spray and wipe formula removes light dirt and dust while restoring a glossy finish. Its hydrophobic technology creates a durable protective layer. A standout feature is its heat resistance up to 600 Celsius, allowing safe use on wheels and engine bays. It also protects against UV rays and oxidation, suitable for paint, glass, chrome, and metal. The concentrated formula is highly economical, requiring only a small amount for each use. Whether you're maintaining a daily driver or detailing a luxury vehicle, MaxLone delivers professional quality results with minimal effort.
At number 3, we have the P&S Express Interior Cleaner. It's a professional-grade, all-purpose interior cleaner trusted by countless automotive detailers. Designed to safely clean virtually every interior surface, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and more. Its powerful formula quickly dissolves body oils, grease, and dirt without drying or discoloring delicate materials. Unlike others, it dries naturally with a factory-fresh matte finish, ready to use with no mixing required. Simply spray, wipe, and enjoy professional results in minutes. Part of the Rennie Doyle Double Black collection, it's the ultimate choice for a well-preserved interior.
At number 4, we have the Car Guys Super Cleaner. Tired of using a different cleaner for every surface in your car? This is the one bottle to rule them all. Its advanced nanotechnology works on leather, fabric, plastic, and more. The process is simple. Just spray, agitate, and wipe clean. No rinsing is needed. It penetrates deep to eliminate the toughest stains, restoring surfaces to a factory-fresh appearance. Unlike others, it leaves zero greasy residue, so your car looks and feels genuinely clean. Stop buying multiple cleaners. Get the one product that does it all. Get Car Guys Super Cleaner today.
At number 5, we have the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. This premium cleaner uses powerful foaming action to penetrate deep into fibers, lifting dirt, stains, and odors without aggressive scrubbing. Perfect for seats, floor mats, and carpets. Its dense foam encapsulates contaminants for easy removal. And it's not just for cars, it's safe and effective for home furniture and office upholstery too. The results speak for themselves, from grimy to pristine, all with a refreshing citrus fragrance that neutralizes odors. Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean, the ready-to-use solution for a professionally clean interior.